Hello, this is Ashish and you are watching Born Again. And today we are going to talk about the purpose of life. What is the real purpose in our life? Today we are going to talk about this. Before talking about the life purpose, we have to understand our life properly. We can see our life in three different stages. In the first stage, the foundation of our life. The foundation of our life is freedom. We have the full freedom to choose anything in our life, to be, do or have in our life. The first stage of our life is the basic foundation, and which is the freedom of choice. The second part of our life that we accomplish with our spending our life in this physical world, and that is the growth, the development in this universe, in this world. By spending our life, we grow this world, sometimes by physical manifestation, and every time with our vibrational manifestations. I have told you that we are not in this flesh, blood and bony things. We are energy, and we have the inner self, we have the greater part, the pure positive part of our pure positive part, from which we have manifested this body. And in this body we inserted a little part of energy to specifically focus in this physical world, in these physical vibrations, in the physical subjects, to determine the varieties, to sift and sort out the varieties and find what things we like and what things we do not like. And whenever we find something that we do not like, the like parts, the likable parts, the likable vibration, the likable vibrational frequencies has been created and holded by our pure positive part. Because the pure positive part, the widespread focal point of the inner self part of ourself, the inner self parts of our are the holding parts, are the holding points of every positive vibration, of every positive part, every wanted part of our desire, and they hold that part eternally. So with the spending of our life, with the living of our life, we only give growth in this world, in this universe. Sometimes with physical manifestations like many cars or houses or many sculptures or paintings or anything, with some physical manifestations sometimes, and every time with the vibrations that we create with our specific focus. So we only give growth by living our life. So the first part is freedom of choice, the second part is growth, development, and the third part is the purpose of our life, and that is joy, that is happiness. Happiness and joy is our purpose of life. If this is very simple for you, this is very nominal for you, for your big life to be a purpose like a simple joy or happiness. If you think that, just look, just see, just hear closely this video just for 2 minutes and you will be clear. The joy, the happy part is your pure positive part, your pure positive energy, the positive word. Whatever you feel, what you feel about the positive word, what you feel about the positive word. Whenever you hear the positive thing, the positive word, any positive thing, any positive word may always feel you good. So why this positive thing feel good to you? Because your positive part means you are a feeling good energy, you are purely love, you are liquid love. That's who you are in your inner self part, in your greater part, in your widespread focal positive, pure positive energy part. And we all know from our core that this joyous feeling, this feeling of happiness, this feeling of fulfillment is our main purpose of life, because in every work, in everything, in every person, in everything, we just look for that good feeling. We want that good feeling from everything. If you look closely in your life, if you are doing something and you are not feeling good, you cannot feel fulfillment from that work. And what is that this fulfillment thing? This fulfillment is the emotion, is the main purpose. You know that this is the purpose of anything that you are doing, seeing, eating, or anything that you are doing right now. So the fulfillment, the happiness, the emotion, the good feeling emotion is the main purpose of your every work. You innately in your core know this. And in all of this, when you create a new desire, the desire has been holded in your inner part, in your greater part, because that is the positive part, that is the positive holding place of your every desire. Then you have the choice to sync up with your pure positive part and flow your desire fully in this physical world. The difference of a chef and a cook is a feeling good in their work. The difference on just a driver and a racing car driver is the excitement, is the happiness, is the joy, is the passion that the racing car driver has feeling, that is absence in the normal driver. So this feeling, this joy, this happiness, this excitement, this passion is the fulfillment of your life, which can you feel in your body. Whenever you feel happy, whenever you feel joyous in your works, you feel fulfilled. You feel fulfilled because you are fulfilled. You are syncing with your greater part, with your inner self part, and the pure positive energy are flowing from that greater part towards your body and through your body to this world, in this world. So this whole setup, this whole physical world and non-physical world, this whole setup is only for the pure positive energy flow, to create the space, to create continuous destination to reach and flow this pure positive energy eternally. So this is your life purpose, your joy, your happiness, your pure positive liquid love flow is your purpose of life.